right, everybody, it's Zach here with CJ, coming live from SEMA 2023. First time at SEMA, first time in a drift car. Stoked to be here. It's going to be super fun. Let's see how it goes. All right, helmets on, ready to roll. Woo! What's up, Vaughn? Zach from CJ.